Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. I welcome you all to the official channel of Divisional Public School and Inter College. Today we are here for lecture number 6 of Computer Science class 10th. This is the last lecture of unit number 1, problem solving. In the previous lecture we have learned write the program, coding, and testing and debugging phase. Now we are going to learn implement the program, maintain and update the program, document the program, the last 3 steps of software development method. Plus, we are going to do the exercise of unit number 1. Implementation means installation. Once the program has been tested thoroughly, it must be installed or put into operation at the site where it will be used. Maintenance and updation of the program is required after its installation. Program maintenance is an ongoing process. It means to upgrade the program to accommodate new hardware and software requirements. It is the expansion, updating, and improvement of a program, means a better program than before. Now it's time to write what we have done in the 8 steps of software development method. Documentation is a detailed description of a program's algorithm, design, coding method, testing, and proper usage. Documentation is valuable for the users who rely upon the program on daily basis. And if the programmer who made the software is not available, then it also helps the programmer who may be called on to modify or update it. There are no universally accepted standards concerning what should be included in a program's documentation. Its contents vary depending on the complexity of the program. A complete and comprehensive documentation consists of the following things. Let's explore these. Number 1. Software requirement document, a description of what the program is supposed to do. The algorithm, the description of problem solution. Flowcharts and algorithms that we have made during the design. Program's testing phase, all the tests, their data and results. Program's updation record, all corrections, modifications and updates that we have made. And last of all, a user manual, a complete guide for the user that how to use the program. For the time being, I am going to skip the examples of algorithm and flowchart given on page number 9 and 10 of your textbook. Right now you are not familiar with the ABC of programming. That's why we will do these with the exercise of unit number 2 later, inshallah. Okay, the time for a quick recap. Today we have learned the last 3 steps of software development method. Number 7, implement the program. Number 8, maintain and update the program. And number 9, document the program. Let's move on to the exercise of unit number 1. Question number 1 is fill in the blanks. The set of instructions given to the computer to solve a problem is called program. The set of rules for writing programs in a programming language is known as syntax of the language. Flowchart is a pictorial representation of algorithm. An algorithm solves a problem in finite number of steps. During analysis, a problem is decomposed into multiple subproblems. Debugging is the process of finding and removing errors in a program. Program implementation refers to the installation of the program in the user environment. Occurrence of runtime error crashes the program. Question number 2 is choose the correct answer. Basic is a high-level language. How many possible solutions are there for a problem? Multiple. Program upgradation refers to program enhancement. Which of the following tasks are performed by most of the algorithms? Input, output, processing, all of these. All of these. Typographical errors means related to your typing in basic statements are syntax errors. Basic is a language, we will learn this language in the next chapter. The diamond symbol represents decision making. Division by zero is a runtime error. Which of the following documents describe various features of the software and the way it is used? User manual. Algorithm is a design document. The technique divide and conquer is used to solve complex and large problems. Let's play take and cross. Question number 3 of the exercise. Syntax error occurs due to wrong program logic. False. Then which errors? Logical errors. Top-down design is followed to solve complex problems. False. Not only complex and large problems. Disk checking is the process of verifying the working of an algorithm. True. Debugging is an important part of analysis. No. Part of testing. Every stage of program development is documented. No. Not mandatory. A rectangle symbol is used for decision making in a flowchart. False. Which symbol? Diamond symbol. Requirement document is not helpful at development stage. False. It is helpful. The usual direction of flowchart is from right to left. False. Left to right. Annotation, the remark symbol, remember, is used for writing comments. True. Remember one thing, fill in the blanks and true false are not the part of board paper pattern that I have discussed earlier in lecture number 1. But these could be converted in the form of MCQs. So don't skip learning these. The exercise of each unit is very important as it constitutes 50 to 60% part of the paper. For complete solution of exercise, link is given in the description box below. I'm Z Sarek and signing off for today. Your feedback and queries are always welcome on rigzy000@gmail.com. We'll meet you in the next lecture. Till then, take care and Allah Hafiz.